Hello and welcome to my channel.
Let's crochet this beautiful granny square together. It is very easy. It only made with double crochets and chain ones between the spaces, and I think it's really nice granny square. You can use them to make tops or bags or whatever. They're very nice and flowy. I love it. But yeah, I'm going to show you um, how to do the mesh part and how to do the not the mesh part. This is just a double crochet, and you can choose the size. As you can see, I stopped here, but you can choose the size how big you want it to be. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. Yeah, let's get started. I'm using 100% cotton yarn from Loops and Threads. It is medium weight, and I'm also using 5mm hook like it says on the label, but you can use whatever yarn you want and whatever hook is best for your yarn. You also need scissors and darn needle so you can hide the ends. Yeah, let's get started. First, let's make a slip knot like that. Put the hook under here and grab the yarn. And I am doing chain method. I think it's easier and I like it more. So first, let's start by chaining 5. Slip stitch into the first chain here, like that, and chain 3. Into the circle, make 3 double crochets. 1, 3, chain 2. This will be our first corner. Again, 3 double crochets into the circle and crochet over this tail, because we can use this tail to close the circle here. 3 double crochets. Again, 2, chain 2. This is our second corner. Again, 3 double crochets. Chain 2. This is our third corner. And make last 3 double crochets into the circle. And chain 2. This is our last fourth corner, and slip stitch into the first stitch here. And now you can use this tail to close the circle here. And now we're gonna do our first mesh round. So our second round, chain 4. And make a double crochet into the corner here. Like that. Chain 1 and skip this first stitch, and into the second stitch make a double crochet. That, chain 1. Now we are in the corner here. We're gonna make a V stitch, chain 1 and V stitch. So make a first double crochet into the corner, chain 1, second double crochet. Now we're gonna do chain 2. This is our corner, and let's do the same thing into the same space. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Like that. This is our corner. These are V stitches here, and chain 2 is our corner. Again, chain 1, skip this first stitch and double crochet into the middle stitch. Like that. Chain 1, and we're gonna repeat the corner. We're gonna do V stitch, chain 2, V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, chain 2 and make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet here. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. This is our second corner. Chain 1, skip this first stitch, double crochet into the middle stitch, chain 1, and we reach the corner, and we're gonna repeat what we did in the other corners. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This is our third corner, and chain 1, skip the first one, double crochet into the middle stitch, chain 1, and now we're gonna do first part of the corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Now chain 2, 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, make a slip stitch, and this was our second round. As you can see, second round is like a mesh stitches, and it's very pretty. Now third round, we're gonna do like we did first, just a regular double crochet round. So this is our corner here, and because I don't turn my work every round, the stitches move forward a little bit. So start by chaining 3. I don't count this as a stitch. First double crochet goes into the same stitch where the chain 3 is coming out from, so it may be a little tricky, but try to get the double crochet into the stitch here. Like that. Second double crochet goes into the chain 1 space, make it here. Next one goes into the double crochet stitch here, next one chain 1 space, and keep doing that until you get to the corner. 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Now we have 9 stitches, and we're gonna make the corner, and to do the corner, make 2 double crochets into the corner space, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into the corner space. And that's it. That's what we are going to do. And the first stitch is hiding a little bit here. And next 3 sides, and the next 3 sides we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna make the double crochet into the stitch, into the chain 1 space, stitch, chain 1 space. Very easy. And the corner is 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the 1 corner space. Chain 2 and again 2 double crochets. Like that, and keep doing it until you get to the end here, and make sure you get all the stitches, and these stitches gonna hide a little bit under these corner stitches. But yeah, let's meet you back when we are here. And now at the end here, this is our corner space. Make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and again 2 double crochets, and slip stitch into the first stitch, and this is what we have. This was our 3rd row. Each side we have 13 stitches, and you can make it as long as as big as you want. I'll show you one more round. This will be mesh round, and then yeah, that will be our square. Since our 3rd round, it is a little tricky, but how I want it to be is that I wanted to skip the first stitch, double crochet, and I'm gonna skip the stitch where the chain is coming out from right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 4. So that does count as a stitch. So I'm going to skip the next stitch here and double crochet into the next one. Chain 1, skip and double crochet. Again, chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, and now we reach the corner. We're gonna do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and we're gonna make the corner, chain 2 and make 2 more double crochets, but chain 1 and next one. So this is one of the sides. If you don't make the slip stitch into the next one, then it is still okay. Then you just, the skipping stitches will be different, but it is still doable, it is still fine. But yeah, we're gonna, yeah, this slip stitch helps with how we go. So now we're gonna skip the first stitch here and gonna first chain 1, skip and double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, and just keep doing it until the corner. And corner we do V stitch, skip, V-stitch, chain 2 and V-stitch. And now we skip this and we do the corner double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, and into the same space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And that's it. You keep doing it until we get here, and then I'll show you how to do this part. Now I'm into the last corner, skip, do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, and into the same space, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, chain 1. We're gonna skip the first stitch here, double crochet into the next one, chain 1, skip this one, and this will be our stitch. So 1, 2 into the third stitch, make the slip stitch. And that's it. This is our round 4. 3, yes, this is our round 4. And you can just keep going. Next round would be the double crochet round, and what I would do is chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch, double crochet into the chain 1 space, and just keep going. And in the next round, if you want to do it more, then I would start the mesh round. When you start doing the mesh round, then just start like we when I do it, I always want to skip the first stitch on the corner, so you can count and to see if you had to do the slip stitch into the next stitch or no. I hope that makes sense. You can always leave me a comment if you have any questions, but I think this is a really beautiful granny square. It's perfect for shirts, or perfect for tops, or even bags. I think it's very pretty and flowy. Yeah, if you have any questions about the square or how to do more, then please leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye.